मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहना चाहता हूँ। I want to be with you forever. I want to be with you forever. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ। I can do anything for you. I can do anything for you. उसे सबक सिखाने की जरूरत है। He needs to be taught a lesson. He needs to be taught a lesson. माफ करना, गलती से मैंने फोन काट दिया। I'm sorry, I cut off the phone by mistake. I'm sorry, I cut off the phone by mistake. माफ करना, कॉल कट हो गया। Sorry, we were cut off. Sorry, we were cut off. माफ करना, मेरी बैटरी खत्म हो गई थी। Sorry, my phone was dead. Sorry, my phone was dead. माफ करना, मेरा फोन स्विच ऑफ हो गया था। Sorry, my phone was switched off. Sorry, my phone was switched off. अपना फोन नीचे रखो और होमवर्क करो। Put your phone down and do your homework. Put your phone down and do your homework. मैं इस दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ। I love you more than anything in this world. I love you more than anything in this world. मैं तुम्हें किसी भी कीमत पर खोना नहीं चाहता। I don't want to lose you at any cost. I don't want to lose you at any cost. मैं तुम्हें फिर से नहीं खोना चाहता। I don't want to lose you again. I don't want to lose you again. मुझे आपको सब कुछ समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है। I don't want to explain everything to you. I don't want to explain everything to you. भले ही तुम मुझे मार दो, लेकिन मैं ये नहीं करूंगा। Even if you kill me, I wouldn't do it. Even if you kill me, I wouldn't do it. मेरा आज अंग्रेजी पढ़ने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like studying English today. I don't feel like studying English today. बेहतर होगा कि इस बात को अनदेखा किया जाए। It's better to ignore this point. It's better to ignore this point. वो आपसे बात करना चाहता है। He wants to talk to you. He wants to talk to you. मैं खिड़की से तुम्हें देख सकता हूँ। I can see you through the window. I can see you through the window. वो मुझे क्यों मारना चाहता है? Why does he want to kill me? Why does he want to kill me? मुझे ये सब नहीं पता था। I don't know all this. I don't know all this. क्या तुम कोई बिजनेस करते हो? Do you do any business? Do you do any business? हम काफी मुनाफा कमाएंगे। We will earn a lot of profit. We will earn a lot of profit. मैंने उस फैक्ट्री में 5 साल काम किया था। I worked in that factory for 5 years. I worked in that factory for 5 years. ये साइकिल तुम्हारे लिए बहुत छोटी है। This bicycle is too small for you. This bicycle is too small for you. इसमें पहले ही 5 महीने लग गए हैं। It has already taken 5 months. It has already taken 5 months. उसे मेरे साथ रहने से कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। He has no objection to living with me. He has no objection to living with me. तुम्हें खाना खाते वक्त बोलना नहीं चाहिए। You should not speak while eating. You should not speak while eating. बस 2 मिनट में निकल गया होता। Would have gone in just 2 minutes. Would have gone in just 2 minutes. मैंने उसे बहुत मनाया, तब जाकर वो मानी। I convinced her a lot and then she agreed. I convinced her a lot and then she agreed. हमारे बॉस ने कल एक मीटिंग बुलाई थी. Our boss had called a meeting yesterday. Our boss had called a meeting yesterday. उसने गुस्सा दिखाया और कमरे से बाहर निकल गया. He showed anger and walked out of the room. He showed anger and walked out of the room. आपको जाने से पहले अपनी टाई ठीक कर लेनी चाहिए. You should adjust your tie before leaving. You should adjust your tie before leaving. डिस्काउंट निकलवाकर बिल कितना हुआ? How much is the bill after taking the discount? How much is the bill after taking the discount? मैं तुमसे वादा करता हूं कि मैं तुम्हें कभी भी कुछ नहीं होने दूंगा. I promise you I will never let anything happen to you. I promise you I will never let anything happen to you. क्या तुम कठिन समय में भी मेरा साथ दोगे? Will you stand by me during the tough times? Will you stand by me during the tough times? एक बार यहां ध्यान दो. Pay attention here once. Pay attention here once. पढ़ने की कोशिश करो. Try to read. Try to read. तस्वीर को देखो. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. इसे दोबारा पढ़िए. Read this again. Read this again. बस काफी है. That's enough. That's enough. फिर से शुरू करो. Start again. Start again. यह सही नहीं है. This is not correct. This is not correct. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? बिल्कुल गलत. Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. यह तुम्हारा भ्रम है. This is your illusion. This is your illusion. जाहिर सी बात है. It's obvious. It's obvious. तुम कैसे जाओगी? How will you go? How will you go? फिर से शुरू करें. Try again. Try again.